Deadlines, high sample throughput, and increasingly strict standards in safety and quality. This is life in the laboratory. The answer is OMNIS. OMNIS is the new titration platform by Metrome. With OMNIS, you can perform up to 4 analyses on the same system at the same time. No more contact with chemicals when changing reagents, thanks to the revolutionary 3S adapter technology. OMNIS is easy. So easy that everyone in the laboratory can work with it. OMNIS puts the focus on the sample, no matter how many parameters you determine. OMNIS provides the answer at a single glance. OMNIS, a new era in titration. Get started now with OMNIS.